Hey everyone, if you've struggled with making professional slides, documents, or web pages without spending hours on design, then you need to check out this app, Gamma.app. In this video, I'll show you how Gamma blends AI with modern design to help you create polished content in minutes, not hours. Now picture this. I had a client pitch due this morning. I needed a sharp, engaging presentation, but I didn't want to touch PowerPoint or spend hours formatting slides. That's when I found Gamma, and it changed everything. I wrote a few bullet points, hit generate, and boom, Gamma built a full deck of beautiful transitions, layouts, and even talking points. Here's why Gamma stands out. Number one, AI-powered content generation. Just give Gamma a short prompt, like a project summary or outline, and it instantly creates a structured professional presentation, documents, or web pages that saves you time, hours of outlining, copywriting, and formatting. Number two, no design. Gamma use modern, clean templates that are fully responsive, no dragging boxes or resizing text. It's like Notion and Canva had a baby with zero learning curve. One click share and analytics. You can present or share links via Gamma and get analytics on how your audience interacts with your content, where they spend their time, what they click, and more. It also has a built-in collaboration tool. With the Gamma built-in collaboration tool, you can collaborate in real time, leave comments, edit together, just like Google Docs, but way prettier. I've used Gamma to pitch clients, create workshop decks, and even draft landing pages. And every time I've gotten compliments, not just on the content, but on the look and feel. It saves time, reduce stress, and help me show up more professionally without needing to be a designer. So if you're a creator, startup founder, marketer, or student looking to impress with less effort, Gamma is 100% worth trying. It is free to start, intuitive to use, and honestly, a secret weapon for modern storytelling. If this helped you, drop a like and let me know how you'd use Gamma in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tools and tips to help you work smarter. Like, comment, share.